Probably one of the most important things that we can experience on a regular basis is being able to still or calm the noise that's in our mind. If you can calm the mind and then also impart a kind of rhythm, a kind of swing, a kind of pattern that's suitable for the sort of experience or progress that you want to make. And so this is what our technology does. We're the only public domain technology that actually provides what we do, certainly to the specificity and to the strength that our frequencies exhibit. So what we have essentially are tracks that can be played audibly. They sound kind of like music, but they're complex tones. And what's actually happening there is a kind of stereogram. If you've seen a visual stereogram before, well, in our case, it's sort of an auditory one. And it's an information signal that's embedded in the soundtrack in a very special proprietary way. And so what this signal does is it represents a geometric topological landscape that represents a state or desired state that the body and mind should be familiar with. So what happens with the noise that goes on in our minds, this is a kind of chaos. It's usually asymmetric. It's not very pleasant. If it was a shape, it would be an unpleasant shape. What our tracks do is superimpose a different state, essentially holographically across the body and mind, and through entrainments it imposes the signal and helps the person get back the kind of rhythm that they desire. So we have over 300 tracks. The subjects cover areas such as health, wellness, meditation, self-improvement, self-development, calming the mind. Some users report with some tracks psychedelic experiences, altered states, certainly enhanced sensory experiences, which are often claimed to border on the para or supernormal. Our tracks embed well with other kinds of sounds. That would include nature sounds, electronica, ambient, classical. They don't embed so well in sort of harsh or chaotic instrumentals. Our technology is an excellent candidate for incorporating as an element into virtual realities, gaming, also for public events like sound baths, individual and community meditations and workshops. A very suitable tool for alternative health and wellness practitioners and services. It works very well when it's used in tandem with mixed wellness-related technologies and methods.